Here's how you can instantly create new ideas with Splice's new tool, Create. Let's choose a genre. I'm gonna go for drum and breaks. Create's AI sample discovery engine will go through Splice's library to create a stack of compatible samples based on genre, key, and tempo. From here, you can adjust the tempo to your liking as well as adjusting the mix of each stem. If you don't like a sample, you can click the shuffle button to swap it for another sound. We can also add additional parts. Let's add a vocal part. And if for some call and response, I'm gonna add additional bass. Once you're ready, you can save your stack. Then you can export the stems as well as exporting directly as an Ableton Live project. So here's the stack in Ableton. Let's chop up this drum loop to give more of a stranger vibe to it. And then I'm gonna take the two bass sounds I have and do some call and response. So let's take the first hit and the last hit of this bass, then mute these two hits. Let's cut up this bass here to match the snare pattern. I also added a gated effect on this effects sample and then chopped up this vocal bit, and this is what we got. You can try Splice for free with the link in my bio.